Greetings Walmart team. Here we are with Team Spartans, here to address the problem of review filtering system. For e-commerce sites, there exist two kind of reviews. One is the relevant review and the one is the irrelevant reviews. These relevant reviews have a good impact on the user to make decisions either to buy or not according to the product. Whereas these irrelevant reviews, which consist of the user's personal life, a personal review, or the review about the company itself rather than the product itself. These sorts of reviews can have can mislead the new buyers to buy or make false decisions about the product. So this have a large impact on the sales of a product. So to overcome this, we have proposed a solution of review filtering system, which generally categorizes the reviews into a relevant and irrelevant reviews, and showing only the relevant reviews, which has a good impact on the user, rather than showing irrelevant reviews, which mislead the new users to buy new products. So these irrelevant reviews are removed, and the misleading informations are removed from the users' eyes, and the impact on decisions are positively or negatively driven, which depends upon the product. So these are the reviews on the left side, or the reviews which are irrelevant. These kind of reviews are needed to be eradicated from the review system, whereas these reviews, either positive or negative, are the relevant reviews, which actually reflects the quality of the product. So the solution is to categorize the reviews and into a relevant and irrelevant. Further, we have proposed a sentimental analysis on the only on the relevant reviews, eradicating the irrelevant features, and also we have built a LLM model which actually summarizes all over the reviews and creates a AI response. For this, we have used Python for our basic things, Excel for storing our review for just in case to show our demo, NLP for processing the reviews into relevant and irrelevant, LLM Gemini Pro version just to create the LLM response, AI response, and summarizing the text. So let's dive into our code. So this is our code. Before diving into our code, let me show you the data I have collected. These are the data for about a particular laptop that I have collected from the Walmart site, and this is the code that I have used. Here I have imported all the necessary packages. I have imported my API key and configured my GenAI version, and I have mentioned the Gemini Pro version here. This generative model actually creates the response, AI response, by reading all the relevant reviews. This is the markdown function which actually converts those response into a user readable format. This is the review cleaner class, which is the main class that uses the NLP. This actually tokenizes the words and splits them into relevant tokens, irrelevant tokens, positive and negative tokens, and finally it gives you the total tokens, which actually consist of the relevant, positive and negative for our sentimental analysis. So these tokens are collected and fetched in the name of total tokens. Here we are giving our data path. This is the Excel sheet that I have shown earlier, and these are the stop words that I used, negative, positive and relevant words that I have used so far, and I have called the function and I have called the class and created an object on this. So on calling this function, we have collected the total tokens in name of the Gen input token, which consists of tokens from which the Gen AI model would create the response. And I have given the token here in the LLM model, Gemini Pro version, and this markdown has been created. So this creates and generates a summarized and precise review, which actually reflects the true nature of the product. Actually, this is a thing that most websites don't do. They will either reflect only the positive side or negative side, but this review focuses and reflects the relevancy, the relevant features according to, with their positive features and the negative features, without losing the nature of the reviews inputted by the user. And this is our project. Thank you for giving me time and listening to my project. Thank you.